subscribe.
Welcome to Maxunk Media. For info, update, keep in touch.
Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. Today, another tip, and this tip we want to handle a function in spreadsheet, precisely Excel, called concatenate. The concatenate function accepts multiple arguments. It accepts multiple arguments, and what does it do? It combine two field or datas together to get you a unique data or a unique name or something that you want. For instance, let me just give an example here. For instance, this is what the concatenate does. So assignment here, I want to check. So concatenate. So my first argument here, I want it to be boy, okay. Then, but it should be it's a string, so it should be in quotes, okay. So boy. So that is the first argument. Now because this one, if I put whatever I want to do again there, as in another argument, as in let's say or another argument, see what will happen. So if I enter, you see that it's giving me boyo. It's giving me boyo, but that is not what I want. I want to boy also. Instead of the or here, I will just enter another argument here, then space bar, just make it create multiple space bar, then so right now, if I am right now with this, so this is empty quotes where there is nothing in it, with the intention that it should create the space for me so that I can see my boy or. So boy or, okay, but I think the space is too much, so let me take some out. So this the first argument, second argument, third argument, okay. So the fourth argument here, still another quotes, okay. Then so with this, then the next argument is boy or girl. All right, boy or girl. Good. So when you check it, so this is what the concatenate function can do, boy or girl, combining two or more things together, right? So let's just take it as what we want to do now. So I have here on this table, I have first name, last name, and then full name, okay. First name, last name, and full name. So I want to use the concatenate function, or we want to use the concatenate function to generate the full name. So we have, assuming you are filling the form and you have your first name and then your last name, okay. Then you don't want to type the full name again, you just want the concatenating function to generate the full name for you. That is what we want to do. And so we knew how we can use it then. So right now we just have to enter the field, like under the full name, you just tap the column in the cell there, then your assignment, okay. Then you type concatenate, right? Sorry, you type concatenate. Then the beginning of our data, looking on the table, our data starts from A2, okay. Our data starts from A2, that is column A, row 2. So the cell is A2, so you just type in the cell A2, then comma. So that is our first argument. So our second argument, if we don't include empty argument, it will combine the data and we will not know which one is which, okay. So another argument, then we put it in the form of string, but it should be empty string. So we want to add 3 space, so 1 2 3. I think it should be 3. Okay, so that is another argument, then comma again, then another argument, which is when we check it, our last name is B2, our last name starts from B2. So this argument, our last name starts from, our last name starts from B2. Okay, so you just type B2, all right, because we are making reference to a cell. We are making reference to a cell. That is why we are just typing the name of the cell instead of we putting it in a quote. Okay, when you put it in a quote, it's no more a reference. Then you close the bracket and then you press the enter key. So you will now have your full name here. So Dede is the first name and Kuma is the last name. So when you concatenate it, you now have Dede and Kuma. So that is how concatenation can be used. And don't forget, the concatenate function accepts multiple arguments. So that is how it can be used. Please, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, so that you can have multiple, you can get access to future videos on spreadsheets, especially or specifically Excel. Share, comment if there is anything, any suggestion, any corrections. Please comment, put it in the comment box, the comment below for me. Thank you very much for watching, and may God bless you. Bye.
Thanks for watching.